This question is similar to the previous one we just did. We are given a system of equation in two real variables and we are asked what kind of solution exists for this type of system. Now, similar to the previous problem, we will find out the relation Ax equal to b, or rewrite these equations in the matrix form, and the matrix will be -1 5, that is the coefficients of first equation, coefficient of unknowns in the first equation, 1 -1 and 1 3. This is the matrix A. Now X is the matrix of unknowns, that is X and Y. And what is B? B is the matrix of the result, that is -1 2 3. And what is the condition we have to check for? We have to find out the rank of A. We have to find out the rank of augmented matrix A by A given B, or A by B, and if it is equal to number of unknowns, then it has unique solution. If it is not equal to number of unknown, then it has infinite number of solution. Okay, this is the case when rank of A equal to rank of A augmented B. If rank of A is not equal to rank of A augmented B, the system of equation do not have any solution. So we need the rank of A and rank of the augmented matrix. First we will see the rank of augmented matrix. We can form the augmented matrix first by writing matrix A followed by the matrix B. Now we have to use elementary raw operations to make this element below the first non-zero entry to be 0. So these two elements must be made 0 first. So we are going to convert it into row echelon form. That is, we have to add, the operation we have to do is R2 equal to R2 plus R1 and R3 equal to R3 plus R1, so that the elements below the first non-zero entry become 0. It is -1 5 -1 0 5 -1, that is 4, -1 plus 2, that is 1, and here we have 0 5 plus 3, that is 8, and -1 plus 3, that is 2. Now we have to do an elementary operation and find out and remove this element 8 to 0. For that we are going to, we have R3 equal to R3 minus 2 times R2. So by doing that elementary operation we will get 0 4 1, 2 times 4 8, 8 minus 8 0, so we got 0 here. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 0. The rank of this matrix is the number of non-zero rows. So we have 2 non-zero rows. So the rank of augmented matrix is 2. What about the rank of A? So this is A, its rank is the number of non-zero rows. It is also 2. So rank of A is also 2. So we have this condition here, rank of A is equal to rank of the augmented matrix, and it is equal to the number of unknowns. Number of unknowns is 2. Since rank of A equal to rank of A given B and it is equal to the number of unknowns, this system of equation has a unique solution. So this system of equation has a unique solution because rank of A and rank of augmented matrix are same and it is equal to the number of unknowns.